Generative AI is an incredibly powerful tool that can save you a tremendous amount of time, but its effectiveness depends largely on the prompts you provide. To ensure you're getting the best results, especially if you often use similar formats like blog posts, it's wise to create a template for generating your prompts. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets as a free prompt generator for your recurring tasks. With this method, you'll fill out a simple table by entering the required values for a set of predefined variables. Then, your prompt is generated automatically by a formula using those inputs. You can easily copy and paste this prompt into your preferred AI tool. Let's see exactly how you can put this approach into action for crafting high-quality prompts for your articles and blog posts. If you'd like to get started even faster, just head over to the blog post linked in the video description. There, you'll find a sample Google Sheet you can duplicate and easily customize for your own needs. When creating a great prompt template, there are some essentials to keep in mind. Based on expert advice, I've chosen several key components you can use to craft prompts for your articles or blog posts. Of course, feel free to tweak these as needed. All right, let's walk through this together. Here's the prompt I'll be building using Google Sheets. The highlighted areas show the variables you'll customize. By updating these, you can instantly generate fresh prompts for any article or blog post. In this table, column B holds your personalized details, while column A lists the names of each variable, the building blocks of your prompt. Once your template is set up, just adjust the values in column B anytime you need a new prompt. Next, let's create the formula for generating the prompt. First, copy your expected prompt into a single cell in your Google Sheets workbook. Add an equal sign at the beginning and wrap the entire content in double quotes. Now, to make this dynamic, replace the relevant sections with the corresponding values from your table. To do this, remove the static section and insert double quotes, an ampersand, the cell address of the value you want, for example B2, another ampersand, and a double quote. By doing this, your prompt will automatically update as you change the value in cell B2. For example, if you remove the value in cell B2, that section will disappear from your prompt as well. Repeat this process for all the static contents in your prompt, replacing them with references to the relevant cell addresses from your table. Once you've finished setting it up, your prompt will automatically update anytime you change the values in your table. Simply copy the generated prompt and paste it into your preferred AI's prompt box. To keep your prompt generator running smoothly, consider adding a few simple checks to make sure all your variables are filled in correctly. You can do this by adding a formula in another column that lets you know if any important details are missing. For example, use an emoji, like a green circle when everything's good, or a red circle if something needs your attention. This way, you'll always know at a glance whether your template is ready to use. Thank you for watching.